Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Arattai in depth. First, the definition. Arattai means a traditional Tamil poetic debate or verbal contest. Think of it simply as a friendly battle of words or poetry. Some use it to challenge others with clever verses, making it both a contest and a cultural art form. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Arattai traces back to Tamil Nadu and has been part of Tamil literary traditions for centuries. Over time, it's been used by Tamil poets and scholars to display intellect and creativity. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Arattai in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. During the festival, participants engaged in an Arattai to showcase their wit and poetic skills. Correct example 2. Local schools often hold Arattai competitions to encourage students to appreciate Tamil poetry. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Arattai my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Arattai correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Arattai means a traditional Tamil poetic debate or verbal contest. It comes from Tamil Nadu's rich literary history, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Arattai down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.